Okay, folks, anybody who's watching this or watches it later, what you're seeing right now is a blank screen of Firefox. And bear with me as you watch through this video because I am streaming this from within VR. So I'm within my VR environment, I'm manipulating my various monitor displays and whatnot. So um, you're not going to see any of that. You're just going to see what's on my primary monitor. Okay, so went in to play this game, and I'll tell you what it is. It's a stupid little game. It's a bingo game within VR that I play to waste time on occasion, and I played it. I don't know, maybe a week and a half ago with no issues whatsoever, other than the fact that when I had multiple cards up and the game was over, it gave me the option to go back to the main menu or retry, and the main menu button didn't work. That was not a big deal because I can get out of the game anyway, however I choose. So anyway, I went in there tonight to play this, and when I clicked on it, I got a notification from Meta saying that the developer was in violation of their agreement, blah blah blah, and they had a link to learn more. So I clicked the link, and it opened up obviously in my browser, which my browser of choice is Firefox, and that's what you're seeing um, on your screen right now is my web browser, Firefox. So this page won't load. Now notice I do have a script blocker installed on Firefox. But even if I go in, now notice I believe it says, let me bring it in a little closer so I can see it better. Yeah, it says that there's two um, scripts that are being blocked. And when I open up my script blocker, you can see which web domains are managing those scripts. So I hit temporary. The button here, this button here allows me to temporarily allow scripts. Okay, now it just made a liar out of me. Um, it would not load last time. See, it still has one hidden script, but before I started this video, it wouldn't load. So I think they did that just to just to make me look like a fool. All right, so we'll scratch reason two um, off of this, but reason one is still valid, and this is the problem I have with this. Applications that access certain platform features must comply with our developer data use policy. If they violate that policy, the app's access to these features will be disabled and it may not be available for download. If you've already downloaded this, you may still continue using it. Some features or functionality may be disabled. For example, your avatar may not appear, or you may not see your friends listed in the app. The disabled features and functionality will return as soon as the app is back in compliance. This is why I hate Meta. First off, they force you if you buy this particular headset, and I didn't know at the time that Facebook, they were still called Facebook when I bought this. I didn't realize that Facebook um, was the owner, did produced and created the Oculus headset. I wasn't aware of that. I was just looking for a budget, something that would fit within my budget, and this was it. And so anyway, so they force you to create a Facebook account. I didn't have one until I bought this VR headset um, for various reasons, but they force you to create a Facebook account in order to use this headset. Since they've changed to Meta, some of that has changed. But the point is I paid for this app, and this is just another reason for me to absolutely hate Meta. Is because if I've paid for it, fine. If you want to take it off the store and make it not available for people that you know have yet to download it, because you don't have to pay for the app. You can there it has a free version that you can play. But I don't care if you want to take it off the store. But if I've already purchased it and I own it, well, not I've licensed it, I guess, because you don't own any piece of software anymore. Everything's licensed. But if I've paid for it, I should still get full functionality of it, regardless of whether the dev is in compliance or not. Because what if the dev is just Billy Joe Jim Bob down the road who made an app that a few people like and paid for, and then he decides he doesn't want to continue with it, so he doesn't keep his app in compliance with Facebook's ever changing policies. So yeah, that just ticks me off. I really wish the second one, the first time I came out here before I started the stream was I had to open up Google Chrome in order to get this page to display. But anyway, it doesn't. It's working now, even with the hidden script, which if you open it up, it's not hidden anymore. Now you can see it, and that's Facebook. That's Facebook's internal network. So anyway, but that's was the reason I thought it was hidden is because it wouldn't load previously. I had to close Firefox and open it back up, cut and paste, and all that good stuff. So, but if I pay for an app, if I pay for something, regardless whatever platform it's on, if you want to take it off that platform and make it no longer available to download, fine. But if I've paid for it, don't penalize me because. But this is just another way that companies are passing off bullshit to their customers or to the users, to the end users of whatever the product is. It's not the developer's fault if he doesn't want to stay in compliance, fine, take it off the store, don't make it available for download, but don't penalize the people that have already purchased the damn game. If I've paid for it, I should have full access to it regardless of the agreement between the developer, and I shouldn't be at the whim of Facebook for items that I've already purchased on their platform, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get off of here because, well, my second reason is null and void at the moment, and it just really makes me feel stupid. But if you've watched, I appreciate you watching, and this is just another little rant video of mine. Have a great evening.